You might want to check your new iPad Pro since units have nice curves in wrong places. We have a new video and a limited edition 5G Galaxy S10, and more cameras are coming to the Pro version of the Huawei P30. I'm Jaime Rivera, and so much for an expensive tablet that I saw bend in a video, and I was like, people don't really bend tablets, but anyways. This is Pocketnow Daily, sponsored by Swappa. The official news today begin with the launch of yet another gaming phone, that Nubia Red Magic that's been teased pretty much ever since MWC. It has just launched in India, and the specifications are just interesting for this phone. 8 gigs of RAM, a lot of storage. We've had a Qualcomm Snapdragon 835, which everybody will say, well, yeah, but that's last year's processor. Think about it as for a $427 price tag, I don't think you should be asking for much. It's actually a good deal. You can learn more in the description. Now let's move the spotlight over to, well, 5G, and I'm not going to bore you with more 5G stuff. The thing about it is we've already got countries like China, for example, already preparing for it in a way that's interesting. They're killing 3G. So for those of you that are interested, as of December 31st, 3G is going to die in certain countries, China being one of them. And yeah, 5G is the next thing happening next year. Now let's move the spotlight over to the Huawei P30 and P30 Pro. We've seen some leaked concepts to a certain degree, but for the first time today we see cases now, and once case makers get products, that makes it almost official, I would say. We've got 3 cameras on the Huawei P30 and 4 cameras on the P30 Pro. This is going to be crazy. Stay tuned for that, definitely. Now let's talk about the typical rumors that I decided not to leave as the hot news because I'm tired of them. Anyway, Samsung Galaxy S10. We've got rumors for 2 units. The 5G special edition variant, which apparently will launch later this year, and another one, which is a rather interesting one, which is the Galaxy S10 Plus, mainly because I don't know if I got this right, but it's got 6 cameras and a 6.7-inch display and specifications that are crazy. And I'm not exactly sure if it's a different phone or the same phone. I would say that it should be the same phone, but then I could be wrong. We'll keep you posted as more rumors emerge. And finally, the hottest news today have to do with iPad Pros, because we saw my buddy Zach in his video where he bent the iPad Pro, and I was like, all right, you know, tablets obviously are longer devices, so I think it would be normal for products to bend, but now it's being proven that it's normal, so much so that Apple has admitted that, yes, the iPad Pro does bend. There is a Bendgate. But the interesting part is the resolution from Apple. According to the company, the bending of this tablet is normal. It is, I don't know, man. Let us know in the comments down below, what do you think? Because I am definitely not going to put up with a $1,200 product with all the specifications and everything. Obviously you can get it for cheaper, but that's how much mine cost. And just be okay with the fact that it bent. There's no way. Leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know your opinion. And folks, before we end this video, we would love to thank our sponsor Swappa for making today's content possible. Now that we have new iPhones out, Apple has discontinued some of our favorite models like the iPhone X, iPhone 6s Plus, and the iPhone SE. You can still get these phones in a gently used condition over at Swappa. Check out the link in the description below to learn more about Swappa's discontinued iPhone lineup. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to both our channels, English and Spanish, for more videos like this one. You can follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.